In today's business world, efficient asset management is crucial to ensuring smooth operation and long-term profitability. A crucial component in this management is the implementation of a CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System, which offers a range of indispensable benefits for companies of all sizes and sectors. A CMMS not only simplifies and organizes maintenance operations, but also provides a comprehensive view of the company's assets, resulting in significant improvements in operational efficiency and cost reduction. What types of assets can be managed with a CMMS? Here are some reasons why having a CMMS is indispensable, along with the types of assets that can be managed. Optimization of preventive maintenance. A CMMS allows for efficient planning and scheduling of preventive maintenance. From heavy machinery to office equipment, all assets can be included in the maintenance program, helping to prevent unexpected failures and reduce associated costs. Centralized asset management. With a CMMS, all company assets can be recorded and tracked in a centralized database. This includes equipment, facilities, vehicles, inventory, and even technological infrastructure, such as servers and network equipment. Efficient work order scheduling. Work orders can be created, assigned, and scheduled quickly and effectively with a CMMS. This ensures that maintenance tasks are performed at the right time by the right personnel, thereby improving operational efficiency throughout the organization. Reduction of maintenance costs. By facilitating preventive and proactive maintenance scheduling, a CMMS helps to reduce the overall maintenance costs of the company. This applies to all types of assets, from production equipment to IT systems. Regulatory and safety compliance. CMMS provides detailed records of maintenance activities performed, facilitating compliance with safety and maintenance regulations. This is essential for critical assets such as safety equipment and production systems. Improvement of staff productivity. By simplifying and automating maintenance processes, a CMMS frees up time and resources that can be used more productively by maintenance staff and other employees of the company. In summary, having a CMMS software is indispensable for any company looking to optimize its maintenance operations and asset management. From heavy machinery to technological infrastructure, a CMMS can manage a wide range of assets, resulting in increased operational efficiency, cost reduction, and regulatory compliance.